Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Kemper, and I am going to be demonstrating a simple Hello World uh, Python application. The goal of this project started, as you see here, to develop strong habits for creating README files. But as I got to thinking and working on it and properly planning out what I wanted to actually achieve for why I started this, I realized it's bigger than just README files. I wanted a template I could use to guide the projects I'll be creating to add to my software development portfolio. And this Hello World app is that project. And so while I started with this, it needs to be adjusted. And I really just need to say create a wrong button, fat fingers. My future coding projects as I officially start creating software portfolio. And as I also mentioned, that this will let me demonstrate functionality like Visual Studio Code, GitHub, Python. And yes, I know there's ways to do this in the console, but you can also very easily do this visually or just for clicking. And proper template message is okay. And that gets it put up on the cloud. And my goals for my programming portfolio over the next 14 weeks, I'm going to be creating 6 projects. I'll start with a console-based task manager app. I'll be writing that in Kotlin. I'll then move to a health and fitness app, and then a personal finance manager app. I'll get some stock market data and write a program to analyze that, and then we'll write a weather radar map app, and then we'll do a relationship database themed around student records. The goal I have right now, just because I've set such an ambitious goal of doing 6 projects in 14 weeks, is to just get a minimum viable project. One of the things I'm going to be doing is, and this is what stopping and doing this properly did, is I'm going to be filling out a checklist that I created. Because one of the things I've realized about programming is that when it comes to failure opportunities, if you compare building a significant software program to building an average home, there is infinitely more complexity in building a software program. The number of possibilities are just out of this world. And I wanted to have a better theme I could use to better structure I could use to guide this process and my efforts going forward. And so I created this checklist. And my Hello World app works very simple. Just starts off with a hello, nice to meet you, asks the name, takes that in, saves it under the name variable. This goes and this f string or function string goes and dynamically puts that name back. So I go run my program and I tell it says hello, nice to meet you. I say Joseph. It says it's nice to meet you, Joseph. And that's really the end of it. And while this isn't very significant, it will become significant as I finish building out my portfolio. And from there, I can then see my updates already. Oh, they're not in here yet. Refresh this. Yep, and you now see them in there. I'll probably be updating that to need to use pull requests in the future to merge it into the main branch to save it, to better protect it. But that worked for this. And that video, that link will be replaced with this when I get it uploaded. Thank you very much, everyone. And I look forward to working with you and interacting with you over the next 14 weeks.